struggling to turn Instagram followers into paying customers. This Insta-funnel strategy takes you from story views to actual sales without sounding salesy. First, use Instagram stories to share behind-the-scenes content that builds trust and curiosity. Then, drop a poll or question sticker to spark engagement and identify warm leads. Finally, follow up in the DMs with a value-packed message that guides them to your offer. Simple, personal, and high-converting. The secret? Don't sell, solve. This method turns casual scrollers into loyal clients by moving them through your funnel, one tap at a time. And the best part? It works even with a small audience. So, if you're tired of posting with no return, this is your sign to rethink how you're using your Instagram. Want more tips like this? Hit like, subscribe, and check the description for free resources to build your funnel smarter and faster.